Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech World. Friends, today we will learn about C language. First of all, we will go through the history of C language and fundamentals of C language. Friends, before going to C language, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest notifications. Okay friends, now we start C language. First of all, we will introduce you with C language. What is C language and where is it developed? Friends, C language is high-level structure-oriented programming language used in general-purpose programming developed by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell's Lab in the USA between 1969 and 1973. Friends, now the feature of C language. C is a robust language with a rich set of built-in functions and operators. C programs written in C are efficient and fast, and C is highly portable. Programs once written in C can be run on other machines with minor or no modifications. C is a collection of C library functions. We can also create our functions and add it to the C library. C is easily extensible. Now, advantage of C language. Friends, there are some advantage and disadvantage of C language. First of all, we will go to advantages. C is the building block for many other programming languages. Programs written in C are highly portable. Several standard functions are there, like inbuilt, that can be used to develop programs. C programs are collections of C library functions, and it's also easy to add functions to the C library. The modular structure makes code debugging, maintenance, and testing easier. Now, disadvantage of C language. Friends, C does not provide object-oriented programming concept OOP. Friends, C++ language is OOP language, means object-oriented language. And there are no concept of namespace in C, and C does not provide binding or wrapping up of data in a single unit, and C does not provide constructor and destructor. Friends, now there are some limitations of C language, and limitations are it's difficult to debug. C allows a lot of freedom in writing code, and that is why you can put an empty line or white space anywhere in the program, and because there is no fixed place to start or end the line. You can start line from anywhere and you can end the line anywhere. So it's difficult to read and understand the program. A C compiler can only identify errors and are incapable of handling exceptions, means runtime errors. C provides no data protections, and it also does not feature reusability of source code extensively. It does not provide strict data types checking. For example, an integer value can be passed for floating data type. Okay friends, now we start the C language functions. In C program, each word and punctuation is referred to as a tokens. C tokens are smallest building blocks or small unit of a C program. In tokens, first of all, C tokens. In C program, each word and punctuation is referred to as a token, and C tokens are the smallest building block or smallest unit of a C program. The compiler breaks a program into the smallest possible unit and proceeds to the various stage of compilation, which is called token. And there are C language supports 6 types of tokens. First, identifiers. Second one is keyword. Third one is constant. Fourth one is strings. Fifth one is operators. Sixth one is special symbols. And now C identifiers. Identifiers are names given to different entities such as constant, variable, structures, functions, etc. For example, int salary, double total salary. Means in the above example, salary and total salary are identifiers and int and double are keywords. Rules of C identifiers. An identifier can only have alphanumeric characters A to Z, 0 to 9, that is letters and digits, and underscore symbol. Identifier name must be unique. The first character must be an alphabet or underscore. You cannot use a keyword as identifier, and only the first, third one characters are significant. It must not contain white space. Identifiers are case sensitive. And there are some C keywords. Friends, the C keywords must be in your knowledge because you cannot use them as a variable name. You cannot use a keyword as a identifier in your C program. It reserves word in C library and used to perform an integral operation. The meaning and working of these keywords are already known to the compiler. There are some C keywords which are auto, double, int, struct, break, else, long, switch, case, enum, register, type, char, extern, return, union, constant, float, sort, unsigned, continue, for, signed, wide, default, go to, size of, volatile, do, it, static, while, etc. Friends, if you have any question related to this tutorial, please share in comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for latest notifications or more videos of these tutorials. Thanks for watching our video.